Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. Today we are going to continue our lesson. What is our lesson? Food we eat. What is our lesson name? Food and health. Our lesson name is Food and Health. We are going to complete this lesson today. Actually, Nana, we can store, we can make our food fresh for a longer time in different kinds. What are the different kinds we used to make our food fresh? మన ఫుడ్ని ఫ్రెష్గా ఉంచుకోవడానికి ఏ ప్రాసెస్ యూజ్ చేసాము? We used drying, salting, pasteurization, refrigeration, freezing and canning. Okay, these are the process are used to make our food fresh for a longer time. అంటే ఈ ప్రాసెస్ యూజ్ చేయడం వల్ల ఏమవుతుంది, మన ఫుడ్ తొందరగా స్పాయిల్ కాకుండా ఉంటుంది. దే వోంట్ అలో the microorganisms to grow on the food. Okay, we learned about that. Now we are going to learn remaining part. It is estimated that up to 40% of food produced in India is being wasted in transport and sales. Proper preservation and storage is important to reduce this food wastage. At occasions like weddings, festivals and parties, eating food together is common. Vanabhojanalu, having food together in gardens. In Kartika Masam, the month after Diwali festival, is popular in some areas. Some children eat together in hotels and schools. These gatherings enable people to develop new relations, share their feelings and care for others. If these events are not carefully planned and organized, they become sources for food wastage. Even at homes, if excess food is cooked, the leftover food is thrown as waste. Some people spill the food while eating and some waste the food without eating completely. Now we are going to learn about the food wastage. Before we learn about the how we make our food fresh for a longer time. Learn this already. Now we are going to learn how we are wasting the food. Actually in India, 40% of food, 40, actually they are manufacturing 100% of food. In 100% of food, 40% of food is wasting in the transport and also by selling, before selling only. Okay, 40% of food is wasted, means it is spoiling. The food is spoiling. The food is spoiling. 40% of food is spoiling in the process of transport. While the food is transporting one place to another, at that time only it is spoiling. It is not reaching to the people. The fresh food is not reaching the people. And fresh food people reach kaakamunde emotundi, before that only it was spoiling. The food spoiled before reaching to the people. 40% of food is wasting in the process of transport. And transport inko place ki then transport chestunna time lo spoil ayipotundi. And also before selling only it was wasted. It was spoiled. The food was spoiled. Why this happened like this? Why the food is spoiling before reaching to the people? Why the ఫుడ్ ఈజ్ స్పాయిలింగ్ బిఫోర్ రీచింగ్ టు ద పీపుల్ రీచ్ కాకముందే, అంటే ఆ ఫుడ్ మనకు రీచ్ కాకముందే ట్రాన్స్పోర్ట్లో స్పాయిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ ప్రాపర్ ప్రిజర్వేషన్ is not given to the food. Some are not using proper preservations. Already we learned some of the preservations. The food ni ela save chesali, ela dani fresh ga unchochani manam we learn them in the before classes, no? Such type of preservations are not the taking by who prepared that food, who manufactured that food. ఎవరైతే మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేశారో ఆ ఫుడ్ని ఇలాంటి ప్రిజర్వేటివ్స్ని సరిగా వాళ్ళు యూజ్ చేయట్లేదు. దే ఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ ప్రాపర్ ప్రిజర్వేషన్స్. దట్స్ వాట్ ద ఫుడ్ ఈస్ స్పాయిలింగ్ బిఫోర్ రీచింగ్ టు ద పీపుల్. ఓకే, అండ్ most before reaching to the people, the food is wasting is one thing. And also on weddings and the occasions. Weddings means marriages, functions, festivals. In those days, the people gathered together, the families gathered together. Okay, during the festivals, during the marriages, during the occasions, the people gather together, means the families gather together. At that time also, the food is wasting. The food is wasted in the marriages, in the any occasions. Why? Here there is a function in my house. There is a function in my house. A function in my intlo. I calculated nearly 200 people will come to attend the function. I calculated that 200 relatives. Nearly 200 relatives will come to my house to that function, to attend that function. I prepared. నేను అలా ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఎందుకు 200 మంది వస్తారని ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, బట్ some of the reasons, due to some reasons, 150 only attended. I planned 200 relatives and I prepared the food for 200 people. Understand? నేను ఫంక్షన్ చేశాను, ఆ ఫంక్షన్ 200 people వస్తారని గెస్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. ఓకే, గెస్ట్ చేశాను. బట్ టు మై ఫంక్షన్ ఓన్లీ 150 relatives attended. They have some reasons, so that's what they did not attend. Now remaining 50% did not attend. No, 50 relatives did not attend the function. I prepared the food for them also. No, మేమేం చేసాము, ఆ 50 members కూడా ఫుడ్ ప్రిపేర్ చేసాము. Nobody are there to eat that food. What would happen that food? That is wasted. Understand? We calculated some, but keep some of members. Remaining food was wasted. The food is wasting like that. The food is wasting in the occasions. And also the people attending to the function, no? Some will left the food in their plates only. You also did like that, no? మీరు కూడా అలాగే చేస్తారు కదా, అవునా? వాట్ they offered some food. Your host offered some food. కొంచెం ఫుడ్ మీకు ఆఫర్ చేశారు. చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, you did not eat all the food. మొత్తం ఫుడ్ నువ్వు తీసుకోలేదు. ఏం చేసావు? యూ లెఫ్ట్ సమ్ ఫుడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్లేట్ ఓన్లీ. యూ లెఫ్ట్ సమ్ ఫుడ్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్లేట్. కొంచెం ఫుడ్ నువ్వు మిగిల్చేసావు. యూ డిడ్ నాట్ ఈట్. సమ్ లెఫ్ట్ ద ఫుడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ఈటింగ్. సమ్ left the food before eating. Like that, the food is wasting. Okay? Like that, near the food is 40% of food is wasting in the transport, and in the occasions also the food is wasted. The occasions also a lot of food is wasting. A lot of food is wasting in the occasions. చాలా ఫుడ్ వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది, అవునా? సో షుడ్ నాట్ వేస్ట్ ద ఫుడ్. షుడ్ నాట్ వేస్ట్ ద ఫుడ్. మనం అలా ఫుడ్ వేస్ట్ చేయకూడదు. టుడేస్ వేస్టేజ్ ఈజ్ టుమారోస్ నీడెడ్ థింగ్. ఈరోజు మనం వేస్ట్ చేసామంటే నెక్స్ట్ డే వీ వోంట్ గెట్ దట్. Today's wastage is tomorrow's shortage. Today we are wasting the food, no? Today we are wasting. You are also, while you are eating your lunch, while you are eating the school, you waste the food, no? మన స్కూల్లోనే పిల్లలందరూ వేస్ట్ చేస్తుంటారు. మమ్మీ బాక్స్ నిండా ఫుడ్ పెట్టిందనుకో, అందులో మీరు హాఫ్ తింటారో హాఫ్ వేస్ట్ చేస్తారు. You are wasting half of the food. You only wasting half of food. What about the school? Old school children. నువ్వు ఒక్కడివి నీ బాక్స్లో సగం ఫుడ్ వెదిలేసావురా. మరి ఇంతమంది 300 people ఎంత వేస్ట్ చేయాలి? Like that, the food is wasting. So we should not waste the food because it is needed to us. One of the day we have to suffer for food. If you waste the food, ఈరోజు మనం వేస్ట్ చేసామే అంటే one of the day we have to struggle for the food. One of the day we have to struggle for that. ఏదో ఒక రోజు ఖచ్చితంగా స్ట్రగుల్ అవుతావు. That's what we should not waste the food. Okay? Don't you waste? వేస్ట్ చేయండి. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి మనం అసలు ఫుడ్ వదిలిపెట్టద్దు. కావాలంటే మీకు కొంచెమే పూర్తిగా తినలేకపోతున్నప్పుడు మీ మమ్మీకి ఏం చెప్పాలి? మమ్మీ ప్లీజ్ యూ మస్ట్ కీప్ హాఫ్ ఆఫ్ ద బాక్స్. టుడే యూ ఆర్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ హెల్దీ. టుడే మార్నింగ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ ఫీలింగ్ హెల్దీ. వాట్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సే టు యువర్ మదర్? ఈరోజు నీకు హెల్దీగా లేదు, నువ్వు తినలేకపోతున్నావు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మీ మమ్మీతో? మమ్మీ యూ మస్ట్ cook rice some because I am not feeling healthy. You must keep half of the box. అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ మీ మమ్మీకి ముందు చెప్పాలి, నాకు ఈరోజు బాగా ఆకలిగా లేదు, నాకు కొంచెమే బాక్స్లో పెట్టు, నువ్వు కొంచెమే వండు. ఆస్క్ యూ మదర్ టు కుక్ లెస్. ఓకే, దట్స్ వాట్. లైక్ దట్ వి మే సేవ్ ద ఫుడ్. అలా మనం చెప్పామే అనుకో ఫుడ్ సేవ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, come next. Do you know how difficult the production of food is? Food production is the combined efforts of many people. The farmers work hard in the farm to grow food for us. Let us see the various stages involved in the food production of paddy. Do you know? We are eating the food. We are eating the food. Your mother is cooking food and you are eating. How you are getting that food, do you know? To prepare rice, to prepare paddy. Paddy ante rice తయారు చేయడానికి the farmers has to do hard work. Your mother cooks food, you are eating. You have the easy process. But the food, before reaching the food to you, ఆ ఫుడ్ నీకు రీచ్ కావడానికి The farmers are doing very, very hard work. The farmers are doing hard work. What is that hard work? Here, they have to till it. First of all, these many processes are done by the farmers. Then the paddy may produce. We are eating rice very easily. We are eating, but before that, the farmers has to do very, very hard work. మనకి ఈజీగా ఫుడ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా అనుకుంటున్నాం, కానీ దానికంటే ముందు ఫార్మర్స్ చాలా హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. వాట్ ఆర్ ద వర్క్స్ దే హ్యావ్ టు డూ? దీస్ ఆర్ ద ప్రాసెస్. హియర్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దే ఆర్ టిల్లింగ్ ద సాయిల్. హ్యావ్ యు సీన్? దే ఆర్ టిల్లింగ్ ద సాయిల్ means they are digging holes the soil. Then irrigating means watering the soil. First process is tilling the soil. Next one is irrigating means watering. Next raising seed beds. If they want to grow paddy, they have to keep the seeds in the soil. The seeds beds may grow up. సీడ్ ఉంటుంది కదా, సీడ్లో పెడతారు. పెట్టేసరికి అవి చిన్న చిన్న మొలకలు వస్తాయి. వచ్చాయి ఇక్కడ. దెన్ transplanting. Here the seed beds arise, no? Then they are transplanting means again they are replanting. మళ్ళీ వాటిని తీసి ఇంకా దూరంగా పెడతారు. Here the seed beds are నియర్. అన్ని సీడ్ బెడ్స్ అన్న ప్లాంట్స్ అన్ని దగ్గరగా ఉన్నాయి, చూసారా? వాటిని ఏం చేస్తారు? మళ్ళీ దే ప్లక్ దెమ్ అండ్ దే ప్లాంట్ ద సీడ్ బెడ్స్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్. ఓకే, అలా దూరంగా పెడతారు. నెక్స్ట్ వీడింగ్ మీన్స్ విచ్ ఆర్ ద వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్. ఇఫ్ ద వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ గ్రో in the field, in the farm, again they pluck the waste plants అంటే అవసరం లేని కూడా పెరుగుతాయి కదా అక్కడ. ప్యాడీతో పాటుగా అన్ని పిచ్చి చెట్లు కూడా పెరుగుతాయి కదా. వీడ్స్ మీన్స్ వేస్టెడ్ ప్లాంట్స్. వీడ్ మీన్స్ వేస్టెడ్ ప్లాంట్స్. Wasted plants also grown in the farm. Okay, in the farm waste plants also grown, so they pluck the waste plants. ఆ వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ ఏమి ఉన్నాయో, ఆ పిచ్చి మొక్కలు ఏమవుతున్నాయో అవన్నీ తీసేస్తారు. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వీడింగ్. ఓకే, దే ప్లక్ ఆల్ ద వేస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్. అండ్ మ్యాన్యూరింగ్, దే స్ప్రెడ్ ద మ్యాన్యూర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అప్లయింగ్ పెస్టిసైడ్స్. Because while the crops are growing, some of the insects may attack. ఆ ప్లాంట్స్ పెరుగుతున్నాయో, ఆ ఫీల్డ్స్ పెరుగుతున్నాయి అనుకోరా, ప్యాడీ పెరుగుతుంది అనుకో, ఏమవుతుంది? సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ may eat the insects may attack the farm. That's what to secure from the insects they applying pesticides. Okay, next reaping means cutting. After that they are cutting the crab, and when the crab grown, they are cutting the crabs and harvesting. Here the paddy is prepared. These many processes are done by the farmers to make the paddy. Understand? We are eating rice. It is a very easy process. Before that, the farmers are doing these many process to make paddy. Rice తయారు కావాలంటే ఇన్ని ప్రాసెస్ చేయాలి. How much time they will take? Nearly they will take 5-6 months. Okay, that's what you should not waste the food. Okay, next, what kind of farming methods have evolved in the recent years? The food grown by applying chemical manures and pesticides does more harm than good to our body when consumed. Besides the long-term adverse effects on the environments. Organic farming is a method of producing food in natural way by using fertilizers and applying sustainable, eco-friendly techniques such as biological pest control. Organic food is free from harmful chemicals. Nowadays, what kind of farming methods involved in the recent years? These many process done by, it is the process done by the farmer. Here, once upon a time, less people are there. Once upon a time, less population. Less population అంటే తక్కువ population ఉంది. Now, a large population is there. Nearly, what is our population? 1100 crores now. Our population is nearly 1100 crores. So a large population is there. Everybody needed a food. Everybody needed a food, no? Andarki food kavali. That's what the farmers are using to increase their farming, increase their production. Understand me? Here a large amount of population is there. Everybody need rice. Everybody need pulses. Everybody need food. Andarki food kavali. Okay. Everybody needed food. So the production has to be increase. Food andarki kavalannappudu em food tondaraga perigali ante food baga kavali. We need a large amount of food. We need a large amount of food. Ekko food kavali. Means the production has to be increased. The tondaraga anni production jaragalante anta food tondaraga tayaru kavali. Anna tondaraga food ravali ante em cheyali? Nowadays the farmers are using chemicals. Once upon a time the farmers make paddy only twice in a year. Make paddy twice in a year. అంటే సంవత్సరానికి 2 సార్లు మాత్రం ప్యాడీ తయారు చేసేవాళ్ళు. Now for 3 months they are making one paddy. Production. Nearly they are giving 4 times of production of rice in a year. 4 times ఇస్తున్నారు అన్నమాట ఫుడ్. Means the production is increased. అంటే రైస్ తొందరగా పెరిగిపోతుంది. Rice is growing very fast. Rice is going very fast. తొందరగా రైస్ పెరుగుతుంది. How? Because using of the chemicals. The farmers are using different types of chemicals to grow the rice soon, to get the rice soon. ఆ రైస్ తొందరగా రావడానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? They are using the chemicals. Understand me? To increase their production. తొందరగా పెరగడానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? తొందరగా ఫుడ్ పెరగడానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? రైస్ పెరగడానికి, ప్యాడీ పెరగడానికి they are using the chemicals. Pesticides. They are using the pesticides and also the chemicals. When the farmers are using pesticides and also chemicals, the paddy is growing very fast. తొందరగా పెరిగిపోతుంది. It is growing very fast. Means we are eating the chemical food. because the farmers used pesticides and some chemicals now. ఇక్కడ ఆ ప్యాడీ పెరగడానికి ఏం చేస్తారు, తొందరగా పెరగడానికి ఏం చేస్తారు, దే అప్లైడ్ కెమికల్స్ అండ్ ఆల్సో పెస్టిసైడ్స్, వీటిని అప్లై చేస్తారు కదా. సో దట్స్ వాట్ దే గ్రోన్ వెరీ సూన్. వెన్ వి ఈట్ దట్ ఫుడ్, ఈజ్ ఇట్ గుడ్ ఫర్ us? If we eat the chemical food, is it good for us? అది మనకి ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉంటుందా? Is it healthy? No, it is not healthy. Because lot of chemicals are used. Lot of chemicals, బాగా కెమికల్స్ కున్న ఫుడ్ యూజ్ చేసామనుకో అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, we may become unhealthy. Nowadays we are using that food only. That's what we are not energetic. అండర్స్టాండ్ అవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కువ ఫార్మర్స్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, బాగా ప్రొడక్షన్ చేయడానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, బాగా ప్యాడీ తయారు చేయడానికి ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, అన్ని రకరకాల కెమికల్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో దే ఆర్ గెట్టింగ్ లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బ్యాడ్ టు అవర్ హెల్త్. వీఆర్ ఈటింగ్ ద కెమికల్ ఫుడ్ నో, బాగా కెమికల్ యూజ్ చేసిన ఫుడ్ మనం తింటున్నాం కదా. వీఆర్ ఈటింగ్ the food which is used by the chemicals, that is harmful to us. It won't give energy to us. We won't get the immunity power. And immunity power peragada alanti food తీసుకుంటే. It is harmful to our health. So organic farming is a method of producing food in natural way. In some places, in some areas, some are growing the plants, growing the fruits and vegetable by use natural methods. Some are in some areas, కొన్ని areas లో ఇప్పుడు nowadays they are using natural methods, natural fertilizers. They are not harmful to us, but they are costly. ఇప్పుడు nowadays also some are using natural methods. The production is very less. Natural method use చేస్తే production అంటే తొందరగా పెరగవు. It will take lot of time to grow. Okay, the paddy will take lot of time to grow if we don't use the chemicals. మన కెమికల్స్ యూజ్ చేయలేమనుకో తొందరగా పెరగవు. ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టైమ్, బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గుడ్ టు అవర్ హెల్త్. అండర్స్టాండ్ మీ? సో దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫుడ్ ఆర్గానిక్ ఫార్మింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్గానిక్ ఫార్మింగ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్, ఆర్గానిక్ ఫార్మ్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ బై న్యాచురల్ ఫర్టిలైజర్స్. న్యాచురల్ ఫర్టిలైజర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, it will take much time to grow, but it is good to our health. If we use chemicals, it may grow faster, but it is bad to our health. Understand this difference? మన కెమికల్ యూజ్ చేస్తామనుకో తొందరగా పెరుగుతాయి, కానీ మన హెల్త్కి బ్యాడ్. If we use natural fertilizer, it will take much time to grow, but it is good to our health. Okay, which one do you want? Organic farming or chemical farming? We need organic farming because it is good to our health. We have to eat food which is good to our health. Okay? Next, are the farmers who produce food for us getting sufficient income? No, the income of farmer is declining day by day because of many reasons. Our food security is at stake. So some farmers are adopting integrated farming system which provides year-round income to them and more food production for the country. This system imitates the nature's principle where not only crops but animals, birds and fish are grown. They are combined in such a way that each helps the other. The waste of one is recycled as resource for the other. so that the old farm productivity is increased. Actually, Nana, who is giving food to us? Farmers. Farmers are preparing food. Farmers are preparing rice, paddy, pulses, everything. They are preparing. Are they getting much money? The farmers are getting much money because they are preparing, no? వాళ్ళే ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తున్నారు. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? We are buying the food from them. They prepare the food. Are they getting income? Income means money. Are they getting enough money which is suitable to their work? Understand me? Are the farmers are getting enough money which is suitable to their work? వాళ్ళకి వర్క్ సరిపోయిన మనీ వాళ్ళకి వస్తుందా? No, they are not getting. Nana, these many process has to do by the farmers to prepare paddy. ఇవన్నీ ప్రాసెస్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి ప్యాడీ తయారవుతుంది. అవునా? It is too hard work, no? It is a hard work. Are they getting enough money? Are they getting a lot of money? No, they are not getting. They are not getting enough money to the farmer which is suitable to their hard work. వాళ్ళంత హార్డ్ వర్క్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళకి సరిపడా మనీ రావట్లేదు. So many, a lot of reasons are there for that. Lot of reasons are there for that. That's what nowadays farmers also doing one more work beside farming. They are not getting enough money, no? డబ్బు బాగా రావట్లేదు కదా, అందుకోసం ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? That's what beside farming they are farming, and means they are growing crops. Beside that they are farming the cattle like animals, birds and fish. Understand? They are doing two business. They are doing two works. One is growing crops and another one is rearing the cattle. Rearing the cattle. Two works they are doing. నార్మల్గా మీరు ఎప్పుడైనా చూసారా? క్రాప్స్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి, ఫార్మింగ్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి డైలీ ఫార్మ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. డైలీ ఫార్మ్ మీన్స్ కోళ్ళు ఉంటాయి, కోళ్ళు అమ్ముతుంటారు. They have dairy farm also because to get the enough income. In cropping they are not getting enough money. That's what they are rearing cattle also. By that they may get the enough money. Okay. Next, farmers till the soil, sow the seeds, harvest the crops and transport them to the market. Merchants transport the food from the market to the shops. We buy food materials from the shops, take them to our homes. Do you think the food produced in the farm and the food we buy from the market are the same quality? Are we eating safe food? The glass of milk may not be safe. Why? It may be synthetic milk. Synthetic milk is produced by mixing caustic soda, urea, cheap refined oil and detergents with milk. Yenana, the farmers made the paddy, prepared the paddy. They prepared paddy and the merchants sold the paddy from the farmers. Directly we are not selling the paddy from the farmers. Sorry. Directly we are not buying. Are we buying? Directly we are not buying. We are not buying the paddy by the farmers. We are not buying like that. మనం డైరెక్ట్గా ఫార్మర్స్ దగ్గర నుండి ఫుడ్ కొనుక్కుంటున్నామా? డైరెక్ట్లీ we are not buying the paddy or any other pulse eatables with the farmers. Directly we are not buying from them. Where we are buying? We are buying from the merchants. Merchants. We are buying from the merchants. The merchants buy the eatables with the farmers. Understand? First of all, the farmers prepare the paddy and also other eatables. They sold that to the merchants with a low cost. Understand? Farmers prepared hardly. They did the hard work and prepare paddy and also other eatables. Understand? After that, they sold to the merchants. The farmer sold the paddy and also other eatables to the merchants with a low cost. With a low cost. తక్కువ రేటుకి ఎవరికి అమ్ముతున్నారు? To the merchants. Here farmers are getting less money only. They are selling to the merchants with a low cost. Merchants are selling us. Here one more person is there in the middle. Farmers are making. We are eating. In the middle one more person is there. They are selling to the merchants with a low cost. But this merchant is still selling to us with a high cost. With a high rate. Understand me? Okay. Here Nana. 25 kgs of rice. 25 kgs of rice. The farmer sold. The farmer sold to the merchant with 500 rupees. Or 400 rupees. 25 kgs of rice. 25 kgs of rice. Sold to the merchant. Here the farmer, here the merchant, here the consumer. Okay? We, consumer, who is using? Consumer. Here farmer sold 25 kgs of rice to the merchant with a low cost of 400 rupees. Okay? This merchant sold to the consumer, means to us. Manaku. He sold the same 25 kgs of rice to us 1100 rupees. 1100 rupees. Now who is getting large money? A large amount of money. Here farmer did hard work and prepared, but he got only 400 rupees. Same 25 kgs of rice without doing any hard work. Merchant even hard work chesada? No, already it was prepared. Same bag sent to us with the cost of 1100. Means 1100 minus 400 means 700 rupees. The profit of the merchant. Understand me? 700 rupees is the profit of the merchant. Now who is getting much money? Merchant is getting much money. And also the food is not having the quality. What the farmer made, that same quality of food we are not eating. This is 25 kgs of rice bag. The same quality we are not eating. Some of the other food items, wastage food items are included in this bag. Here we can see here brick powder in chili powder. It is chili powder. The chili powder is pured. It is prepared by the chilies. Chilies prepared by the farmers. Chilies ne tayar chese farmers kada. Okay, they prepared pure quality. Pure quality, manchi quality tayar chesaru. But the merchant added what he added? Brick powder. What's the color of brick powder? It is also red color, na? It is brick powder. Brick powder is in red color. Chili powder also in red color. What the merchant did? He added some quantity of brick powder in the chili powder. Now we are eating the chili powder. Is this the same quality? Are we getting the quality food? Understand this now? Actually, they prepared pure chilies. Pure chilies they prepared. But he added what he added? Brick powder. Brick powder ne add chesadu. Brick powder in chilies. Then we are selling. We are buying from the merchant. We are buying from the merchant brick powder, chili powder adding with the brick powder. Chili powder ఏం కలిసింది? Brick powder కలిసిన ది మనం కొనుక్కున్నాం. Now is it pure? Is it good to our health? Is it good to our health? No. The same quality of food prepared by the farmer are not consuming. We are not consuming that. మనం ఫ్రెష్గా ప్యూర్గా తయారు చేసిన ఫుడ్ మనం తీసుకుంటున్నామా? No, we are not taking that. Here, Nana, the cows are giving milk. Cows are giving milk. The cow milk is pure. If you take a glass of milk from the direct by the farmer, the farmer direct ga మనం తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో, it is pure. It is a cow milk. If we take a glass of milk by the cow, it is pure. What we are doing now? We are using packet milk. We are buying the milk packet. We are buying the milk packet from the merchant in the shop. In shop lo milk packet కొనుక్కుంటున్నాం కదా. ఫార్మర్ దగ్గర నుంచి పాలు తెచ్చుకుంటున్నాం మనం ఇప్పుడు? No, we are getting from the merchant. In that packet, what are added? Do you know? It is not pure. Synthetic milk, that is called synthetic milk. By mixing caustic soda, you are drinking packet milk. The packet lo వచ్చిన పాలు తాగుతున్నాం కదా మనం, అందులో ఏముంటుంది తెలుసా? It is having caustic soda, urea and cheap refined oil and detergents are added in the milk. That is not pure milk. The packet milk is not pure. These are the items added to the milk. మనం తాగే మిల్క్, మన ప్యాకెట్లో తాగే, ప్యాకెట్ నుండి వచ్చి తాగే మిల్క్ అది ప్యూర్ మిల్క్ కాదు. దట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కౌ మిల్క్. కౌ నుండి వచ్చే పాలు కావాలి. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంప్యూర్డ్ మిల్క్. Impure milk. Here see, chalk powder in flour. Chalk powder. What is the chalk powder color? Chalk. What is the color of chalk? It's white. Flour also. Flour and pindi. Pindi color lo untunda. It is to white. So chalk powder is added in the flour. It is added by the merchants only, not by the farmers. And vanaspati in ghee. ఘీలో ఏం యాడ్ చేశాడు? వనస్పతి, చీప్ రిఫైండ్ ఆయిల్. వనస్పతి మీన్స్ చీప్ palm oil, we can say, no, palm oil was added in the ghee. And papaya seeds added in the pepper. Pepper color and also papaya color is same, no? That's what it is added. This totally it is added by the merchants. Merchants are doing this to get the money. We are using these items and we are going to hospital. Understand me? ఇదంతా జరుగుతుంది. It is the inequality food. The food is not qualified. The food is not qualified is called adulteration. It is the adulteration food. Food adulteration means impure food. The impure food is called food adulteration. If you eat that food, you go to the hospital because it is not purified. Understand? Okay, today's class is completed. Okay.